Hello and welcome my dear friends to my channel. So JEE Main July attempt has completed now, and in this video I am going to tell you about the most accurate marks versus percentile for all types of shift, that is easy, moderate and difficult. Yes, you may categorize the shifts into these three categories. The difficult one will be of 27th July first shift, and the easy may be listed as 25th and 27th second shift, and the rest will be of moderate. So there is a great variation of marks for a particular percentile in these three categories. Here you can see, so it may vary with 5 or 10 marks. So here you can see that for 99.9 percentile it is 285 for easy and 270 for moderate and 260 for difficulty. So there is a variation of 25 marks in the easy and difficult shift just for one particular 99.99 percentile. So this goes on for all the percentiles, that for 99.9 for 99.5 percentile it is 270 for easy and 220 for difficult one. Now for 99 percentile it is 240 for easy, 220 for the moderate one and 190 for difficult one. So this is the list that goes on. If we go for 97 percentile, then it is 145. Yes, just 145 for the difficult one and 196 for easy one. So 196, that is approx 200. So one may say that with 200 marks 99 percentile is secured. No, is over the shifts, whether your shift is easy, moderate or difficult. So it totally depends upon the difficulty level of that paper. So now as we further move till 95 percentile, then it is 120 for difficult, 150 for moderate and 175 for the easy one. Now if we go for 90 percentile, then it is 87, yes, just 87 for difficult one and 135 for the easy one. And for 80 percentile it is 60 for the difficult one and 100 for the easy one. So this was the tabular form of marks versus percentile with all the types of shifts, with all the difficulty level type shift, and this is just the expected and predicted one. It is not 100% accurate because it may vary from shift to shift, but according to the Feb and a March attempt, this is most accurate, and it may vary only with 10 positive or 10 negative marks. So you may have a screenshot of this all. For more updates, please like and subscribe my channel.